Hello friends, this is your friend Tuvan Bose and I'm going to show you right now is how you can use selection tool in Photoshop. There are three main way you can use or the three tool are there present in Photoshop which you can use for selection purpose. Okay, I'm going to show you one by one. First, I will start with magnetic lasso tool. Now in my last video, I shown you that how you can select any photo or anything by using magnetic lasso tool. Okay. Now, of course, you can pick lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, but this will take lots of time. Okay. I'm not going to use it and no one is actually use those step, those tools. Now, I am picking this part of the hair because her hair is shining. Sun falling on her hair, sunbeam falling on her hair. So it's shining. Okay. So photo gets selected. You can understand that. What I'm going to pick here is raster tool, add a mask. Okay. See, the photo get already selected from here. Now I'm going to show you the second process. Okay. The second process is actually much easier than the previous one. Okay. What I'm going to do here is going to increase the size first. Okay. I have to increase the size of the selection tool first. For that, I have to press the third bracket or second bracket, whatever you have in your PC or laptop keyboard, you can press it. But second bracket or third bracket, you have to press generally. Okay. You can increase or decrease. Both you can do using this same keyword. So what you have to do is just select this area. Okay. It didn't work. It didn't go well. So I have to select from beginning. So this part is finally get selected. Now If you want to know that how I have done it, I have just pressed this selection, quick selection tool from here, and it work by a solar capacity. So sometime it doesn't work. So if it doesn't work, suppose you see that it selected more area than you needed, then immediately have to press Alt from your keyboard. And if you see that you need more spaces to cover up, then we'll press Shift, then plus sign will appear. You can see plus sign is already there, and this is the default setting. Default, if you select the selection tool, then on default this plus sign will appear. For bringing, if you want to bring the minus, then you have to press the Alt. Okay, Alt switch you have to press. Like I press the Alt switch, you can see is showing the minus sign. Makes it to deselect the part, extra part which it has select previously. Okay, and if you want to increase the size, then you have to press Shift. Okay, so again I will pick the raster graphics from here, add a mask, and this is how it's work. How I select the area, and you can see several part is still visible from here, but this is not issue. I can fix it by removing by using the eraser tool. Okay, which I'm not going to show you right now. Okay, now the best tool which you can use for the selection is pen tool. Okay, pen tool is best option for you. How pen tool is work, I'm going to show you right now. Okay, on next video, by the way, I will show you how you deselect the part from background or any part of the photo. You can easily remove it by using eraser tool or background eraser tool. Okay, not in this video. So select the pen tool from here. Now here is the thing that lots of tool you can see in here, like pen tool, freeform pen tool, add anchor point tool, delete anchor point tool, Goldberg point tool. You don't need to press anything, only pen tool is needed in here. And you can also see that path, shape and pixel are there. You have to go through path. Shape is making a shape, will make a shape. If you want to build any type of shape, rectangular shape or circle, then it will be help to do that. So you have to go on path section. You have to select path section from here. Wait a minute, I made some mistake from here because I have to select from the here section. Okay, that part I forgotten. Now the photo point has already selected. You can see that I selected the part, but it is not flashing. It's not get selected yet. So for quick selection, what I have to do is going to press the right button from my mouse. Okay. If I press right button, then you can see that make selection option has appeared. So I have to press in here. See, photo gets selected. Now what I'm going to do exactly the same in previous two poses what I have shown you. You have to follow the exact pattern. Okay, you have to add a mask from here. See, photo gets selected easily, and this is the perfect. This process of selections of anything by using pen tool is the best way to get your 100% satisfaction, and most of the people use this tool. Okay, although you can use several tool like I showed you previously. So thanks for watching. I will see you later. Bye.